up everybody, back with another video. Today we'll be changing my power steering pump finally, so we're just gonna jump right in.
Yours actually looks like the aftermarket, but it's still 10 million. I think 12 and 14 are the only ones we're gonna use. Taking those off. Right around. Take this one off. Wow, 12 millimeter there, down here, and down there. Just right on top of the timing cover. That's what the other bolt looks like. This one's kind of long compared to the other two. There we go. There's the last one. I guess that's how you know the longest one is the
bottom one.
Bottom
right.
Yeah. So nice. Okay, so now it's loose, but we need to take the hoses off. I see a lot of fluid down there. I see this.
Alright. It's not okay.
Yeah. So anyways, that's there. So when you pull the hose out, fluid's gonna want to go everywhere. So
It's fine.
that is a 14. Probably didn't have much fluid anyways. Oh, there it is. Man.
I didn't even see that. I was looking at the pump. I was like, oh, it's not even that full. Not even full at all.
Shit. Well,
I have a rag right here for you.
this is usually the gasket it comes with. But the one that you got has these two crush washers, which I like a little more. So this one's pretty used.
Yeah.
So we're gonna go ahead and use that one. If it wasn't straight, it wouldn't be turning, by the way. If that was straight. Last one. Oh, maybe the threads are bad. That's why it might have not been tight the first time. Go there. That one's a 10 mil. Alright. So now we just gotta put the alternator back on.
That should be alright.
Yeah. It'll still rub a tiny bit, but it was already rubbing a little bit. And
I was like, I feel like that's how they all are.
So it should be okay though. I feel like it's tight enough so it shouldn't squeal. Alright. You see something?
How's it blow?
Alright, well that's going to be all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, like, subscribe, and don't forget to share. Until then, I will see you guys on the next video.